Okay, we'll look at Gauteng Department of Education, Prelim exam, question 11, that is on probability. So question 11, machine A and machine B are two different coin pressing machines that operate at the same time. Okay, and then probability that machine A only presses 5 rand coin is X, and then probability that machine B only presses a 5 rand coin is 0.3. So basically here we are given that X is for A only, that is 0.3 is for B only. If I want the whole of A is going to be X plus 0.1. And then if I want the whole of B, not B only, is 0.3 plus 0.1, which is basically 0.4. Okay, remember if you were given probability of A, you're looking for A only, you will subtract that. Now probability that both machines presses 5 rand coin at the same time is 0.1 as indicated. Now the question is, if A and B are independent events, determine the value of X and Y. Okay, so for independent events, we know that probability of A and B is equal to probability of A multiplied by probability of B. It's not probability of A only, it's probability of the whole of A and the whole of B. A and B is 0.1 is equal to probability of A, the whole of A is X plus 0.1, and then probability of B is 0.4. Okay, now let us solve for X. We just divide by 0.4 both sides, 0.4, so that gives us 0.25 equal to, and then that will cancel, then you're left with X plus 0.1. Then you just transpose 0.25 minus 0.1 equal to X. Therefore, X equal to 0.15. And then, so we know that this is 0.15. Now, X is 0.15. Now, if we want to solve for Y, still 11.1.1, it's going to be the 0.15 for X, the 0.1, and then plus 0.4 plus Y is equal to 1, because the total probabilities must be equal to 1. Therefore, Y equal to 1 minus 0.15 minus 0.1 minus 0.4, which gives us 0.45. Next question, 11.1.2. Determine the probability that exactly one of these machines is pressing a 5 rand coin. So it basically is going to be probability of A only plus probability of B only. That's exactly 1. So it's going to be 0.15 plus 0.3. Then you add that is 0.45. Okay, question number 11.2. Wilson takes a driver's test. The probability that he will succeed in his first attempt is 3/7. And then for each attempt that he redoes the test, probability of passing increases to 3/5. Okay, so here we just have to draw a tree diagram. So that will be the fail, that is the pass. Okay, and then at second attempt, remember if he passed, stop there, he's done. If he fails, he's going to take the second attempt. So it's going to be a pass, a fail. If he pass there, it's fine. But if he fail again, that will be the third attempt. So that's a fail, that's a pass. So probability that he will pass at first attempt, will succeed at first attempt is 3/7. 3/7. Meaning that the probability that he will fail will be 1 minus 3/7. which will give us 4 over 7. And then after that, they told us that for each attempt that he redoes the test, the probability of passing increases to 3 over 5. So now for second attempt, pass is 3 over 5. And then fail will be 1 minus 3 over 5, which is 2 over 5. That's the second attempt. Then the next attempt, again, probability that he will pass is 3 over 5. Probability that he fails is 2 over 5 again. Okay, so 11.2.1, they're asking for the probability that he will succeed in the second attempt, not the first attempt, second attempt, which means that he will fail the first attempt and second attempt he pass. So we're going to follow this green line. So that will give us 4 over 7 times, now it's going to pass, that is 3 over 5, which will be 12 over 35. Then 11.2.2, probability that will succeed after third attempt. Okay, so which means that you will fail the first attempt and you will fail the second attempt, and then third attempt you pass. So that's a fail, that's another fail, third attempt, it's a pass. So we follow those green lines. It's going to be 4 over 7, 2 over 5, multiplied by 3 over 5, which will give us 24 over 175.